Are you confused when your orchids are gradually wilting and showing signs of dying? Many people have had to throw away orchid pots they once cherished. But few people know that, with proper care, you can completely revive these orchids. And today, I will bring such an orchid back to restore, so you can follow along and learn how to do it. The special thing is that you only need ingredients available in the kitchen. No need to use chemicals or complicated methods. With just this simple method, your orchid will gradually recover, grow new roots, develop flower spikes, and bloom brilliantly again. Let's get started. This orchid has almost completely lost its vitality. So the first step you need to do is gently remove the plant from the old growing medium to check the entire base and root system. Next, remove all damaged, rotten, or dry roots. This helps the plant eliminate non-functional parts, limit the spread of fungal diseases, and create conditions for new roots to grow healthier. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After that, I will rinse the entire orchid with clean water to completely remove dirt, bacteria, and impurities still attached to the roots and leaves. This helps the plant become cleaner and safer, while also creating conditions for the next steps to achieve better results. When the root system is cleaned, the plant will also absorb nutrients more easily and recover faster. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After washing, let the plant stay in a cool and dry place before treatment. To treat the orchid, I will prepare an aloe vera leaf like this. Then cut it all into small pieces and put it into a blender. Aloe vera contains many enzymes, vitamins, and natural nutrients, has mild antibacterial effects, retains moisture, and stimulates tissue recovery. When used for wilted orchids that need recovery, aloe vera will help soothe damage, support new root growth, and help the plant quickly regain vitality. Next, I will add about 3 small spoons of rice. Rice contains B vitamins, starch, and some natural minerals, helping provide energy and support root system stimulation. When combined with aloe vera, this mixture will create a natural nutrient solution, helping the plant recover quickly, stimulate new root growth, and increase resistance for the orchid. Finally, I will add about 500 milliliters of clean water, then cover and blend the entire mixture until smooth. Blending helps the nutrients from aloe vera and rice dissolve evenly into the water, creating a nutrient-rich solution that is easy to absorb, very suitable for restoring weak orchids and stimulating new root growth. After blending, I will use a cloth to filter out all the residue, keeping only the liquid for use. This liquid contains nutrients extracted from aloe vera and rice, helping the plant absorb more easily, while limiting residue from clogging roots or leaving deposits on leaves. To ensure a suitable nutrient concentration, I will dilute this solution with about 1 liter of clean water. Diluting helps reduce concentration, avoiding shock to the plant, especially weak orchids. At the same time, the diluted solution helps the plant absorb nutrients more gently and effectively. Now, I will soak the entire base and roots of the orchid in the aloe vera and rice solution for about 10 minutes. At this time, the solution will penetrate directly into the root system, helping mild disinfection, soothing damage, and providing necessary nutrients. During soaking, I will use soft cotton to absorb the solution, then gently wipe both sides of the orchid leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dirt, bacteria, and fungi still attached to the surface, while allowing the solution to penetrate directly into the leaves, supporting leaf tissue recovery and increasing plant resistance. When wiping, you should do it gently, especially on the underside of the leaves, because this is where the plant exchanges gases and absorbs nutrients better. After wiping, the leaves will be cleaner, greener, and gradually regain their healthy shine, helping the plant photosynthesize better and recover faster. For the remaining solution, I will pour it into a mist spray bottle to use for other orchids in the garden. This solution is very gentle and safe, helping supplement natural nutrients, supporting plant recovery, root development, and increasing resistance, while also helping flowers stay fresh and last longer on the branch. When misting evenly onto the leaves, the plant will absorb nutrients gradually and effectively, helping the leaves become greener, shinier, and noticeably healthier. In addition, misting also helps increase humidity around the plant, creating a favorable environment for orchids to develop stably, limit pests, and maintain optimal growth conditions. When the orchid has been soaked for 10 minutes, I will take it out and proceed to replant it. At this point, I will use a transparent plastic pot like this, a type of pot that helps you easily observe the root condition and moisture level inside. The growing medium I choose is still pine bark, a common material very suitable for orchids thanks to its good aeration and drainage. However, you need to place a few foam pieces at the bottom of the pot to improve ventilation. Next, place a layer of pine bark at the bottom to create an airy cushion for the roots. Place the orchid in the center of the pot, gently adjusting so that the base just touches the pot surface, not buried too deep. Then, add more pine bark around, gently pressing it into the gaps between the roots. This helps fix the plant in place without damaging the roots. You should work slowly, avoiding compressing the medium too tightly, so the roots have enough space to develop and breathe better. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. To help the plant stand firmly and develop more stably, use a small metal or bamboo stake and insert it close to the base of the orchid. Then, use a soft string to gently tie the base of the plant to the support, avoiding tying too tightly to prevent damage to the stem or roots. This method helps the plant maintain an upright shape, preventing it from tilting during new root growth and helping it anchor firmly into the medium. Finally, cover the surface of the pot with a thin layer of moss. This moss layer helps retain moisture for the medium, limit rapid evaporation, while creating a soft and airy environment for young roots to develop. However, you should only apply a very thin layer. Avoid covering the entire pot surface because it may suffocate the roots, reduce oxygen, and easily cause rot. After planting, I will still reuse the aloe vera and rice water solution used earlier for soaking, then lightly water around the base of the orchid. This helps supplement nutrients immediately after planting, while keeping the root system adequately moist, creating conditions for the plant to quickly adapt to the new environment. Finally, after care, do not forget to place the plant in a cool, airy place with gentle light, avoiding direct, strong sunlight. Results after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, my orchid has started to show clear changes. New roots gradually appear at the base, white and healthy, showing the plant has adapted well and started to recover. More notably, new leaves also begin to grow from the stem, proving the plant has regained vitality and entered a new growth stage. I will continue watering and caring for the plant with aloe vera and rice water solution to maintain a natural nutrient source, helping the plant grow stably and healthier over time. Do not forget to place the plant in a cool place with gentle diffused light, avoiding direct sunlight to help it grow well and limit thermal shock. After 4 months, my orchid has grown strong again. You can see the root system developing more vigorously, firmly attaching to the growing medium. The white plump roots show that the plant is absorbing nutrients very well. The leaves have also become firmer, darker green and shinier, no longer showing signs of weakness as before. Especially, a new flower shoot has begun to appear from the leaf axil, which proves the plant has fully recovered and entered a strong growth phase, ready for a new blooming season. Continue to care for the plant regularly and properly, and it will become healthier and develop more stably. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Results after 6 months. From a small initial flower shoot, it has now developed into a strong flower spike, growing tall and blooming into brilliant, vibrant flowers. This is exactly what everyone hopes for when caring for orchids, to see the plant revive and bloom more beautifully every day. Take care of your orchids with love and patience. They will surely reward you with beautiful and long-lasting flowers. Let's admire the flowers cared for by organic methods. They are not only beautiful, but also healthier and more long-lasting in color over time. What do you think about this organic orchid care method? If you find the video useful, do not forget to press like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to support me.